What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your keyboard typing a wrong key whenever you tap on another key. Let's say you tap on, for example, letter O and it shows up P, or you tap on number 2 when it types number 3 on Word or any other place on your Windows laptop. I'm going to show you how to fix this in just a very quick step. But do not forget, if you find some value out of my content, consider subscribing, as it really helps me out reaching out to more people and consequently helping more people fixing annoying tech issues. There we go. So the very first thing we're going to do in here in order to fix this issue is just press a combination of two keys, which is the FN key, which is this one here at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Right here we do have FN, and then we do have the F12 right here. So you want to press both of the keys. Okay, there we go. Let me just put my first finger on FN and then F12. There we go. This is exactly what you want to do. Now, if this doesn't fix the problem, do not worry. Just hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Both of the keys. There we go. Both of the keys for a few seconds and see if it sorts out the problem. If it doesn't, simply press FN as well as num lock in here. Okay, both of the keys combination, and this should essentially fix the problem. Now, if F12 doesn't do the thing, go with F11. It may help out. Same process. FN, F11, FN, F11, and press and hold both of them for a few seconds and see if this solves the problem that you've got. But do not forget, you need to press the FN key. I hope this video really helped you out, and if you found some value, consider subscribing and let me know down in the comment section if it worked out for you or not. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.